As for the groin injury Nash suffered 5 weeks ago while playing for HC Davos in Switzerland, he says it was nothing serious. Nash stayed off the ice for a week to get treatment back here in North America and has since skated at least half a dozen times, anticipating no obstacles to his Broadway curtain riser. John Luke, TSN, Manhattan.
Dan really enjoyed that stand-up by John Luke.
The guy was hauling a dart.
Here's your odds to win the 2013 Stanley Cup. The top Canadian team, no surprise, Vancouver at 9-1.